Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody. It's me Vichy Kevin, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change the password of your AOL mail account. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. And AOL Mail is a free web-based email communication service provided by Verizon Communication. It's basically a company. If you guys have used Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo in the previous or in your past, then AOL Mail is also similar to that. It just operates under a different company called Verizon, whereas Yahoo works under Yahoo, Gmail works under Google. Alright. Now with that out of the way, let me show you guys how you guys can change your password. And remember, if you do not remember your current password of your AOL Mail, you need to follow a separate step. And we have also made a video on that topic called how you guys can recover your AOL Mail account. You can watch that video, and even if you don't remember your current password, you can change your password of AOL Mail. In this video, you need to remember your current password in order to change your password, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide, and let's jump into the video. First step, you want to go to AOL Mail and log in into your account. Once you do that, you want to go on where it says options over here. And what you want to do is go on where it says mail settings. Now once you open your AOL Mail, you want to click on your username over here at the top. It's going to take you to your account. Over here, you want to go on account securities. And on account securities, what you want to do is scroll a bit down and you can see your password over here. Now what you want to do is click on change password. Once you click on change password, it's going to ask you to enter a new password. So enter a new password for your AOL Mail account. Once you enter a new password, click on continue. Once you click on continue, your new password will be set on your AOL Mail. So that's how you guys can change your password in AOL Mail. It's that simple. Just remember this, once you change your password, your old password will be removed. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.